Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is eHaciga Dog Stairs. This foam dog stair is designed directly against the edge of a bed, sofa or other furniture, so your pet can climb up and down comfortably. It's a portable dog stair for small, large and extra large dogs. This dog stair has 3 steps, 4 steps and 5 steps to choose. Our 3-step dog stairs are only suitable for sofa and low beds no higher than 18 inches. And 5-step dog stairs for high beds are more suitable no higher than 27 inches. If your bed is not too high or low, which is medium height, please choose 4-step dog stairs no higher than 23 inch. 30D density of pure foam and eco-friendly PP hollow sheet make this stair more steady. It can also be folded into a simple dog bed to save your space and is easy to carry. Our foldable dog stair is a nice dog step for couch and bed. The dog step has a removable washable cover that can be hand washed or machine washed, so you don't require spending a lot of time cleaning it. It's very convenient. After removing the foam from the compression bag, please allow 24 to 48 hours for the foam to fully expand before use. Please note that the inner foam is not washable. Number 2 in this best dog stairs for bed list is Best Pet Supplies Dog Stairs. These foam dog steps are designed to cozy right up to the edge of your high bed, tall couch, or other big furniture so your pet can climb up and down to get comfy, so you don't have to carry them either way. To ensure that your pet gets the safest quality steps, we made sure that our USA sourced foams are CertiPure US certified. CertiPure US certified foams are manufactured without ozone depleters, PDBW flame retardants, mercury, lead and other substances/chemicals that can be harmful to your pets. Our versatile dog steps not only help your pets, they minimize the need for you to have to pick up your animal to get them up on the furniture, which is especially important if you struggle with strength or stability. Ideal for small to medium-sized pets, these steps for dogs and cats come in 3-step, 4-step, and 5-step options, so you can use them as dog stairs for beds or pet stairs for cats who need help climbing on a sofa. The sloping headrest provides comfort support while your dog sleeps and helps with neck health. And guardrails prevent dogs from falling off the raised dog bed, keeping puppies safe and also avoiding their blankets or toys strewing on the floor. Our third choice is Maewang Wooden Dog Stairs. Convert simply from 4 steps to a ramp to make it easy for older or arthritic pets to reach sofas, beds, cars, and more. Suitable for old, weak and sick pets. Sturdy wood construction for strong support can hold pets up to 110 pounds. Non-skid feet, fabric-covered ramp and stairs provide traction for your pet's paws. Lightweight and sturdy, this pet stairs can be easily moved, shifted, and stored for convenient accessibility. 30.9L x 18.5 inches width by 25.6 inches height, step size, 15.7 inches by 9.06 inches. Pet stairs mode is perfect for small to large sized pets, easy to reach sofas or beds. Pet ramp mode is very steep, so it is only suitable for cats and medium to large sized dogs, not for small dogs. The length of our dog ramp has reached 47.2 inch, 120 centimeters, and the width is 15.7, 40 centimeters. When fully unfolded, the triangular mechanical design can support a weight of max 200 pounds. Due to size restrictions, our products are recommended for dog breeds under 70 pounds. For dogs with a heavier body weight, we recommend counterweight the latter during usage. Our larger sizes are coming soon and will be sure to meet you. The dog ramp features a sophisticated black walnut color, making it not only a functional dog ramp for beds but also a stylish addition to your living room decor. Note, if you notice a strong scent, rest assured that this product is colored with water-based paint, which is free from formaldehyde and environmentally friendly. Simply place it in a well-ventilated area to allow the smell to dissipate. Fourth pick in this best dog stairs for bed list is Bedsure Orthopedic Dog Bed. Our orthopedic dog sofa is designed to give your pet unparalleled support for a deep, dreamy sleep. High-density egg crate foam helps distribute weight evenly and provides the perfect amount of pressure relief and joint support. The four-sided bolster design promotes ultimate comfort and security, offering your pet a variety of cozy positions to snuggle. The cushion bolster shape is deeply filled to support your pet's head and neck for a more restful sleep. And the lowered entrance protects your pet's knees and promotes accessibility. The durable foam mattress is encased in a waterproof liner to fully protect the foam from spills, water damage, or accidents. Remove the zippered cover in seconds and machine wash for easy care. This supportive dog bed is wrapped in our velvety soft flannel fabric, offering soothing comfort that your furry friend will find cozy and relaxing. The dog ramp offers 4 adjustable heights to cater to different pet scenarios, including 23.6 inches, 21.7 inches, 18.5 inches, and 13.8 inches. You can easily adapt the ramp to suit your pet's needs, whether it's accessing the sofa, bed, car trunk, or backseat. Additionally, our pet ramp boasts a patented support structure that guarantees stability and prevents it from toppling over. Our fifth and last choice is Lasure Dog Stairs. Lasure Dog Stairs give pets easy access to their favorite spots and are especially helpful for seniors who have trouble jumping and cats or dogs with joint problems. Plus, when it's time for a snooze, the stairs fold into a soft, simple, pet-approved bed. High-density, lightweight foam makes these pet stairs easy to move yet sturdy enough for cats and small/medium-sized dogs to walk up and down. Rubber dots on the bottom provide extra grip, keeping the pet steps in place. Designed so you can feel confident that your furry friend will be able to get where they're going safely. The 3-step model is 13.5 inches tall to help small pets access low-to-the-ground couches or chairs. The 4-step version measures 18 inches for reaching sofas or a bed easily. The 5-step version is 22.5 inches and makes getting into higher beds or cars simple. Simply remove the foam core and medium-density fiberboard, then machine wash the outer cover separately in cold water on a delicate cycle. Do not machine wash or dry the foam core. Pet Ramp is crafted using premium quality pure natural pine wood sourced from the picturesque landscapes of New Zealand. Unlike inferior materials, pine wood offers exceptional strength, a pleasant texture, no unpleasant odors, and environmental friendliness. In addition, we have implemented a grinding process to ensure that all sharp angles on the wood are smoothed out, providing added protection for your furry friend.